to workers and resources in a Soviet republic. Let's build it ourselves. For this, our 70th anniversary episode. So let's see what we can make of it. We are going to complete some buildings today. And I think we will start with the two little kindergartens up here in the north. And then we are hopefully also going to complete, if I could just see what I'm doing here. Yes, those folders have to be shut down all the time. Yeah, we are going to complete this road cargo station. And we are also going to be continuously building on our oil field. That definitely needs some more work. And we are, of course, also building on our railroad that will hopefully support our oil field, or at least make it possible for us to export some of the oil when we start extracting it. Well, it'd be rather pointless, wouldn't it? And oh dear, we have finished a little stretch of road over here, which means that we can start constructing our electronics assembly hall. Really? Is that what it's called? Sure thing. It's actually not that expensive. So, off you go. And if you lads here should run out of work to do, I strongly doubt it, because you still have that vehicle production line you're working on, and it's just so that the cars has at least something to do. Can't have idle cars. Let's see, what are we doing? Well, we're doing quite well. We are also producing bricks now at a slow but steady pace. And we need still 80 ton of bricks over here. Well, we spent 188 ton of bricks. That's a lot of bricks. And we will need 35 ton more over here. Well. Don't have that many prefab panels. Let's have a little look at the oil field. Let's see. We have idle trucks. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. That's not flying. Let's see what we can build. We have a pump that we cannot build. We have a station that we cannot build. Okay, we have a connectional problem here. You're up and running. You're up and running. Me. Why? Oh, there's no connection up here. Come on, hand me a road. There you are. Let's get this show on the road. No, not exactly. What? Why? Because it's not connected to anything? Okay, that's why. Let's just say that over here we are going to build a temporary road. There we are. There. Then, now we're ready. We need to get those concrete mixers up and running, because all of a sudden they are overly busy. Yeah. Okay. That's a lot of mechanical components. But we are producing them steadily. One thing I would like is just say medium voltage switch 3. Okay. And you have no. How much are we needing? Is that everything we need? It's coming in here. 7 ton of gravel. Do you have 7 ton of gravel for me? Yes, you do. Yes, we do. Yes, we can. No, we didn't. Oh, no, you didn't. See. Why are we having a traffic jam here? Oh, somebody tried to go this way and there was train. Just keeping an eye on my gravel, I got plenty of it. It makes no sense. Well, I no, because it's even this one. The different tracks, the different piece of track, and yeah. Mm. Mm. This one here will plastic chemicals. There's no chemicals in a warehouse. Yes, I do. That doesn't sound safe. You're storing chemicals in a warehouse. Mm. If we, when done, put it here, just move the road a little bit, and we can export it. Yeah, sure thing. No problemos. Oh, road has been completed. That's nice. Let's build a little stretch of road up here. Ah, one kindergarten has been built. That's nice. Okay, 10 employees, 2 babies. Yeah, well, that may be a bit much. Okay. We have idle trucks. Oh, that looks cool. I think I will. Send them down here. And off you go. Just preparing for the build down here. Where are our asphalt paver? I don't think we're building any asphalt roads right now. 152 workers. That is a nifty amount of steel that's being made. Just need a handful of workers and then it's all of a sudden done. Yeah. You just working. Just see the speed, the price of this 60,000 ruble factory is going down with. That's pretty fast. But we have 3 excavators going at full speed, which of course means that we will run out of resources to spend here incredibly fast. Mhm. Let's see how much you now need. You should need fewer. You will be. Mm, the oil refinery is coming along nicely, but we are definitely out of mechanical components. We had such a nice stack of them earlier. But of course, a horrendous amount is used for building one of those oil refineries. But still, that should have. Well, and then we're not allocating any more workers because we need them to do other stuff. And we can't get this wood cutting post up and running because I am, well, out of workers, I guess. I just want them to finish this power line. Yeah. Now we're building 3-foot paths, so let them do that. Over here we're just needing concrete, and we can just finish it. It's not that big a deal, it's only 1200 workers, or workdays. Nothing in particular. So, and we also here have our monument we're building. It takes concrete, and well, right now all the concrete trucks are out. We are definitely down on steel here. Hopefully we'll soon be back up to about 30 at least. We got a little bit in here, 5. So we got 35 and a little here. Oh, we do have some components now. We definitely need more. 35. Sure. We are stockpiling them, and well, we need a bigger stockpile than 2 ton, because that's kind of not gonna do as much good. If we fill up our entire warehouse with them, it'll be more or less enough. But that's it. That's how much it will take. Ooh. Rail 2 is needed. Where are the other? Oh, you're going down there. Okay. And this one has been completed. Yeah. Goody. And you can just continue, and everything down here needs to be continued. And then we're really gonna need a lot of workers. No idle trucks. How does our economy look? Oh, that's a nifty little bus. course eradicate the bottom 4: fuel, bitumen, plastic, and chemicals. We will also remove electronics. So for 8, 11, 12, 21,000 of expenses will be cut when we can start getting fuel or oil. I definitely need this one to be built. What we can do is we can add this one. There's a chance they'll send a bus of workers down here. It's a bigger task than you should think. While they are milling about over there, I think that I will to do that. We need excavators, and we are definitely out of excavators. Everybody's out of excavators right now. We could also finish it, but we're not gonna do that because we are building it ourselves. Because this is workers and resources. A Soviet Republic. Let's build it ourselves. So that would be no real point in buying our way through. How many excavators is attached here? Only 2. just cancelled the transport of materials to the vehicle production line and hope they will allocate them differently. Oil refinery. That's nice. Oh well. Let's see. Oil refinery is crawling ahead. Oh, both our kindergartens has been completed. That's nice. This electronic things. No asphalt. Nothing really we can do about it. Yeah. So we just got a load of asphalt. So now it's sprinting away. Only concrete we need now. 44 ton of steel. Where are they expecting me to steal it? Okay, not funny, sorry. The best joke of the day and nobody's laughing. Huh. Kind of understand you, because it wasn't a very good joke, but it's the best I had. We are... more people is arriving, and we are up to 80 workers. Well, that's far from 500. Yeah, I don't think so. No idle trucks, I said. You go do something. And if you should end up idle again, we will start building roads, because we always need an extra road. Why wouldn't you need an extra road? Roads are good. Roads are nice. Roads are fast. This is once again one of those little railroads we cannot build without putting a rail construction office a million miles down the road, and I don't want to do that. I'm not happy about spending money. That means when this is done, we can do this one, and then we are ready for rail export. That's nice. Well, we could export up here, but we just don't have... why do you say we have no... two more pieces of track we cannot build ourselves. Let's just finish them here. So they won't stop us at a very unpleasant time when we are utterly running out of money. Right now we got a little bit of cash, so that's not too bad. You know what? I'm going to build two new sport thingies here. You know, kind of get something green. How could that be a problem? Well, actually, I don't know if it could be a problem, but I'm not certain that it wouldn't. Completely out of mechanical components. 1 ton here. Nothing here. Kind of out of steel. Yeah, 1.5 ton of steel. That's no steel. Where you? You just want 13 ton of it. Well. Wait until loaded. Wait until unloaded. Sure thing. I kind of have a hard time seeing that we will fill that storage space in the south with steel. That would be a nice site, because that will be like 900 ton of steel or something. 870 ton of steel. And yeah, well, that is a remarkable amount of steel. I'm really feeling like a drink right now. So let's don't worry, I'm not calling it quits. No, that's not what I meant. Let's see. Maybe we can build a pub. No. No, 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 no. Delete. Yes. Into build. You're not purchasing any goods. We're not buying alcohol. Where you can see two ginormous distilleries going on. No. That is not happening. You build this one, and let's see if we could put in kind of footpath. It'll go all the way up here. That's 1,000 rubles for a footpath. We're not paying because we're building it ourselves, and workers and resources, Soviet Republic. That's exactly what we're doing. And down here, no, you didn't. You bloody well did. I am not allowing that. Yeah. Bloody workers. They always want to go to those local construction sites, but for some reason they do not like to construct roads locally. Ah, there you go. And I can see excavators is approaching. That means that we have finished the groundworks over here at our electronics components assembly bay. Electronics assembly hall. Oh yes, of course, that was the name. We need bricks and boards, and cement, and horrible amounts of steel we don't have, and a little bit of electronic components. Okay, the big is steel. And the only problem with steel is we don't have it. Which of course is bad enough. Well, that looks nice. I want that. 14 tons of gravel and 10 tons of asphalt. Oh, we just need someone to build it. Uh, 13 ton. That's quite a lot of electronic components. And if needed at some point, we will simply set up an export, but I don't think that will be really our problem right now. It's not a matter of going to burn through most of it. Now we have no steel. Very few workers. Okay, we got one from the bricks factory. That's cutting them by a third. Not really important because it's 1% of reorganizing it. Actually, did they go and build this power? No, still no power line built down here. Is it me that's doing something wrong? All resources are available. We have 2 buses. And it's on the top of the line. No, it's not. It's down here. No, it's not. Why is it? It is the top of the line. It's right here. We got 80% at our oil refinery. And our switch. Let's go to the south and see what we can do. If this one was built, we would have power and that pump would start, just to see the pump going and say we got oil. But we can't until we get power, and we probably won't have power until this one is done. Only 15 ton of steel. Well, that's at least something. Well, every car we got is actually out working. Well, all we need are the mechanical components and we will finish this, because the steel is, yeah, well, that can be fixed. With that, I think I will end this episode of Workers and Resources in a Soviet Republic. Let's build it ourselves.